So these big snowstorms are due to global warming.
Climate change.
You deny the existence of global warming?
What?
I said you claimed it was global warming, but you said it was climate change.
No, global warming is real, but we're supposed to call it climate change.
Why?
Well, then we can attribute every disaster to climate change. That was harder with global warming.
Most people would think a snowstorm is big evidence against global warming.
Climate change.
Well, you just said climate change was global warming.
What?
You said global warming's real, but call it climate change.
You're confusing weather with climate.
But isn't saying the snowstorms are evidence of global warming confusing weather with climate?
What?
Saying the storm is evidence of global warming is okay, but saying it's not is confusing weather with climate?
Why are you so anti-science?